going? Today I'm in the middle of Whoop Whoop here in NAKHON PHANOM. I've come out to St. Joseph's Church. It's not really famous. I don't think it's not a tourist destination, but it looks pretty cool for photos. So I thought I'd come and have a look. So anyway, I'll give you a sticky beak at it. Just looking out there, you can see the mountains of Laos or Lao. Probably can't see it very well with the action camera because it's too wide a view, but anyway, that's a nice quiet area. So let's have a look. So this is a Catholic church, and I really can't give you any more information than that. I don't know when it was built, but it's probably been here for a while. But nice big plot of land here, and I think there's like a kids school or something over there. Looks like they've got some lights on it for Christmas decorations. So maybe this is the new chapel. So we're going to have a look at the statues here. Not sure if I can go inside or not. What's around here? Okay, there's a museum. Okay, interesting. And this looks like a pretty old looking chapel. So whether this was the original one, which would seem to make sense. I think it's a cool looking structure. I love the grounds here. It's beautiful. It's seen better days, but I quite like the grungy look. Okay, so there are some people inside praying. And you see there's lights strewn all around this church, so it probably looks pretty cool in the evening. And obviously they still use this old church. Well, it is Sunday today, so it makes sense that people are in church. See, they've locked the door, so obviously I better not disturb them. See, this Christmas tree without the tree. See if I can have a sticky beak inside the main church here. It's locked up. Some beautiful trees. Again, very quiet and peaceful area. It looks like the museum's closed. Although I doubt it gets many tourists coming here. Okay, that's pretty much it. So that's the St. Joseph's Church in Nakhon Phanom. Alright, catch you later.